Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarv, and today I have the Hamilton Beach Juice Extractor. This is a New Year's gift for my mom. I got this for $90, but it's in Amazon for $99. It's actually worth that much. And this was a Boxing Day deal, so it's wonderful. And this is one of the best juice extractors in the world. So, let's test it out, if it is the best. Okay, so we got freshly cut oranges straight from Florida, and let's put them in. Okay, I'm gonna switch it on. Oh damn. Okay, this is crazy. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is my first time, by the way, so I don't know how actually you put these. Okay, so I think I learned how to do it. Basically, you should just close it and then switch it on. It's much easier, makes less mess. Okay, 3. Yeah, so overall, I got 2 oranges cut, and it just produced this amount of orange juice. So over here you can see that this area, I really like it because they made a big area for all the garbage that comes out of the fruit. So I really like that. This is the fruit pusher, by the way, to push it down so it's easily turns into the juice. So yep, let's taste the juice, how it is. Okay, let's put this thing in case some juice drugs. I don't want to make a mess. My parents are getting angry. Okay, let's try this. 3, 2, 1. This is so good. This is actually way better than the store's juice. So good. Come on, you guys drink it too. Good. Okay, that's it. So, till next time, this is me, Sarv. Peace.